Hi, I'm Anton. Today is day 16 of the daily crypto installment program. I'm continuing to pay 50,000 rupiah in installments. Bitcoin 20,000 rupiah. Ethereum 20,000 rupiah. XRP 10,000 rupiah. Today we'll discuss what's the difference between Bitcoin and regular money. The first difference is that regular money is printed by the government, while Bitcoin is mined by miners. Regular money, rupiah, dollar, can be printed by the government at any time. If the economy is sluggish, they print more. The result? The value of money can decrease. This is called inflation. Bitcoin can also be mined by anyone at any time, but the process becomes increasingly difficult. Furthermore, the total number of bitcoins that can be mined is limited, a maximum of 21 million with no compromises. So, it actually becomes increasingly scarce because more and more people want it, but the supply is limited. You get what I mean? If you understand, please like this video. If you don't, please leave a comment where you don't understand, so we can discuss it further in the next video. Money is usually kept in a bank. If the bank has problems, we could be affected. Bitcoin is stored in a private digital wallet. We have full control. We don't need anyone's permission. That doesn't mean regular money is bad, but Bitcoin can be an alternative for storing value long term. See you tomorrow. We'll talk Ethereum again.